What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, I got some big news that's kind of big rumors, right? And I've always had this mindset that I feel as though, with the things that I'm thinking about, could completely change the crypto space and how people see the crypto space. Because technically, the way people are playing like video games right now, with everything that they're doing, they're technically, using a form of currency while playing those games. Anything that has in-app purchases within it, you're buying whatever the coins are that are in that game and you're spending it, right? You're taking $20, you're buying whatever coins or gems or whatever you need to have in order to buy the products, in order to buy the outfits, the cars or whatever game you're playing, right? Um, and you're using some form of currency. Well, that can be substituted for cryptocurrency, a real cryptocurrency, and then you can provide value for the people that are playing the games, which means that instead of you mining crypto, you're now playing to earn that crypto. So you can find a way to gain a lot while doing the things that you love. Now, we all know that these games that they create right now that are crypto based or that are play to earn are not really great. They're not good at all, really. They're something that you play maybe a couple of times and then you have the play to earn or play to burn or whatever. And you play it like twice, maybe 10 times. And, maybe there's some people that play it religiously, but majority of people are not because it's not an addicting game. You have addicting games that are out there like NBA 2K, like Madden, right? When people play Madden all the time. You have Call of Duty, you have a lot of different games that are very addicting, but they're on major consoles, right? And PC, right? You'll have I don't know, Forza, you'll have Gears of War, you'll have like I said, Call of Duty, all of those that people will play constantly, but you get nothing from, right? You're spending money maybe on the game to buy some of the weapons and outfits and everything, characters, and you don't receive anything for it. Well, until now, right? And I'm this is all still like a rumor. It's never anything that's 100% confirmed, but I always had this mindset. I always had this thought that if they found a way to implement that into real systems, right? If Xbox somehow teamed up with MetaMask or teamed up with Trust Wallet and implemented the wallet to link directly to your systems because it's linked to the internet, and now you can find a way to play to earn and build your overall portfolio, build your whatever cryptocurrency you end up gaining from that. It could be a huge benefit to everybody playing video games. So I always thought that that would be a game changer to the market, and I thought that the first one that would go for that is like Gala, right? Gala is a position that's primarily surrounding games, and you would think that they would launch something that would be a top tier game that would be very addicting for a lot of people, and be able to capture a ton of cryptocurrency, be able to capture a ton of Gala in the process of playing these games. Well, I don't know if Gala will be the one to have that, right? First of all, Gala kind of screwed everything over, screwed everybody over when it comes to Coinbase investors, because I had version one. I didn't go through changing it to version two or doing everything that I needed to do. So now version one is sitting over there and I can't do anything with it. I have like $300 worth and I can't do anything with it at all. So I know Gala didn't really do a great job there, and maybe it was me, but I wasn't really paying attention, too much to my balances, more or less to a lot of other things because mine were more long term, and I was looking to hold Gala for a longer period of time. But to say that I was forced to migrate or forced to move over, I didn't know to do that, right? So I'm stuck with Gala version one, but that's a whole nother issue. And so before we get into the rest of this, if you guys could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. But as I was going through my live stream this morning, there was a bunch of people that were talking about a very, very popular game and it seems like it's like Jordan-esque, right? When you have a pair of Jordans, you know that they're most likely going to be worth, especially if you have, I don't know, some sort of special pair. They end up gaining value. You can resell them for more money, and that's how the market is because they only release a certain amount. Um, for this game, which is GTA, Grand Theft Auto, they only release games. They don't release it every year, right? I think the last one that they released was like 10 years ago or something. I don't really know exactly when GTA 5 was released. GTA 5 release date was September 17th, 2013. So, yes, you're looking at basically 10 years, and they haven't released another game. And now, from what I understand, they're looking to release GTA 6, and everybody's talking about GTA 6 and when that's going to be released. Now, I haven't seen if there's any type of gameplay or if it's true or whatever, but they have an interesting concept. Okay, so they may be introducing play to earn to GTA, which would be huge. That is one of the biggest names that you can have play to earn games on because it, again, has that Jordan effect, right? They don't release a lot, so people play the hell out of it. It's not like Call of Duty where they release one or two every single year. It's not like, I don't know, Madden where they release one every year, or 2K where they release one every year, and people are looking for that next game, that next game, that next game. Like, people are so hype whenever there's any type of news with GTA because, again, the last game was released 10 years ago. So, anyways, so Grand Theft Auto GTA 6 is anticipated to introduce a play to earn system using cryptocurrency rewards, transforming gaming into a potential income source. The rumor suggests Bitcoin might be integrated as an in-game payment method and reward token, which would be huge. I don't know how they would find a way to do that. If you're going to basically link your wallet in a way or link PayPal or something. But if they find a way to do this through gaming consoles, it is a complete game changer for the entire market and will absolutely just change everything. And it will kind of be an I told you so, that I knew that this would be that step that would just basically change the game. I don't know how else to classify it. So I'm excited about this. Will Grand Theft Auto actually do this? I'm not 100% sure. It is still just a rumor that this will be the case. And I'm sure they're going to pick one cryptocurrency in order to have that, or maybe a couple of cryptocurrencies to pay with. But I would imagine you would just do it through one. And I really don't want to see it through Bitcoin, but I guess if they have to, I just want to see it implemented either way. I would love to see ADA, or something else implemented within that, maybe an XRP. That would be pretty cool. But I don't think it's going to be like multiple crypto coins or tokens. I think it's going to be just one, just like you would have a VC in 2K virtual currency, but that virtual currency needs to have a name. So it's going to be interesting to see how things progress when, cryptocurrency becomes even more mainstream than it already is. So let me know what you think about this. Is this big news to see GTA kind of at the forefront here, changing the game and adding crypto into this space? And I guess it would make sense for them to use BTC, since BTC is kind of the only one that the SEC is not attacking, even though you have, banks and institutions that are kind of supporting cryptocurrency as a whole. Um, as of right now. So, anyways, like I said, hit me in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this, everything that's happening here, and yeah. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.